Hello everyone and welcome back to Sinful Gourmet, and today we're preparing peas aloo pulao. So let's take a look at the ingredients. We have taken 500 grams of basmati long grain rice. This is washed 3 to 4 times. We have taken 2 potatoes. These are medium sized. We have some green peas. This is frozen green peas. You can take the normal peas. 2 sliced onions, some ginger and garlic, 3 to 4 green chilies, some mint leaves, coriander. We have 3 tablespoons of curd. We have bay leaves, cloves, black pepper, green cardamom, black cardamom, cinnamon. So now we'll grind the ginger, garlic and the green chilies together. So we have grounded the green chilies, ginger and garlic, and now let's start cooking the pulao. So we've taken a vessel now and we'll add some oil. Once the oil heats, we'll add the onions and we'll fry them till they are golden brown. So now while the onions are turning pink, now we'll add the potatoes also and we'll fry them as well. So the onions and potatoes have now changed the color, and now we'll add the raw spices. Now we'll add the grounded ginger, garlic and green chili paste, 2 tablespoons. Now we'll add some salt. Now we've whisked the curd, so ensure the flame is also low while you're adding the curd. We have fried the masala now, and now we'll add the rice. We'll stir the masala properly with the rice. We'll add the frozen green peas. Now we'll add the mint and coriander leaves, chopped mint and coriander leaves, and then we'll add in some hot water for about 2 to 3 glasses. Now we'll let the rice cook for around 10 minutes on a low flame. We'll cover the lid and cook the rice. So it's been now 10 to 15 minutes and the rice is now ready. So let's serve the rice with some salad.
Hope you have liked this recipe, and I know you would definitely try this. Do let us know in the comments section. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get notified for the new recipes. See you soon with another delectable and yummy recipe, and until then, happy gourmet.